Yeah, so I want to talk to everybody, talk to all the beautiful African brothers and sisters, all the folks. I guess I found out that everybody come from Africa, so that means even me too. And I'm so excited and honored to be part of the festival. We're playing on August 5th. The festival's the 4th and 5th, and that's the Sounds of Africa music festival, and it's at Everett Community College. Again, that's August 4th and 5th, and it's going to be awesome. There's all kinds of amazing music. We're playing there, Sellasi Soldier and his Special Forces, and with Alex Kajamulu is there, and me Tamlin on guitar, and a bunch of nice folks playing some good music, and it should be a really great time. And so everybody, please do come out, and it's going to be an enjoyment for everybody. No one is excluded. Everyone is included. It's just people loving stuff and having music and celebrating the birthplace of all human beings.